There are four types of necrosis: coagulative necrosis, liquefactive necrosis, caseous necrosis, and fat necrosis. First is a coagulative necrosis. It is the most common type of necrosis. It occurs due to the loss of blood supply or oxygen supply, and even due to the exposure to the toxin. It is characterized by cellular swelling, denaturation and coagulation of cytoplasmic protein and breakdown of organelles, and nucleus become pycnotic. That's why we say cellular details are lost, but architectural details of cell is still there, meaning cell outline is intact, means architecture is safe, but part inside the cell is dead. Fun fact: lack of blood flow or oxygen to any part of body except brain can cause coagulative necrosis. Fusobacterium necrophorum is a common cause of coagulative necrosis. Second one is a liquefactive necrosis. It is characterized by transformation of tissue into the liquid mass, in which there are loss of both cellular and architectural details. This happens because liquefaction completely digests the dead cell by the action of lysosomal enzyme. Normally, liquefactive necrosis occur in the abscess, which is a pus filled cavity, and this contains small or large amount of creamy yellow pus. Liquefactive necrosis happen during the focal bacterial infection. Focal means bacteria infect the body locally, not the whole body, so that this bacterial infection act as a foreign object to the body and triggers a immune reaction and cause accumulation of neutrophils, ultimately result into the liquefactive necrosis. Few minutes earlier, I said hypoxia in all tissue except brain produce the coagulative necrosis, but in the brain it produces the liquefactive necrosis. Now it's become the really fun fact. You know what I mean. So third one is a caseous necrosis. It is characterized by conversion of dead tissue into the homogeneous granular mass, resembles like tasty pizza cheese. No, it's not an actual pizza cheese, but it looks like a cheese. I hope you have understood my sarcasm. And there will be absence of both architectural and cellular details. The word caseous means cheese. This type of necrosis seen in the tuberculosis, which is caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Caseous necrosis is considered as combination of coagulative and liquefactive necrosis. Fourth one is a fat necrosis, meaning death of adipose tissue in the living body. There are three types of fat necrosis. First one is a traumatic fat necrosis. It is the death of adipose tissue by the mechanical injury. It is commonly seen in the subcutaneous adipose tissue. Second one is a nutritional fat necrosis. This type of fat necrosis associated with the extreme emaciation and debility. This type of necrosis occurs throughout the body, but most commonly seen in the abdominal fat. Third type is a pancreatic fat necrosis. This type of fat necrosis occurs into the pancreas due to the action of lipase enzyme due to the injury to the pancreas. This lipase enzyme not only affects the pancreas, but it escapes out from the pancreas and acts on the adipose tissue of mesentery and omentum. Lipase enzyme hydrolyzes the fat into the fatty acid and glycerol. Now, this fatty acid combined with the salts such as calcium, potassium and sodium to form the soaps, which appear as a white chalky material. And this process is known as fat saponification. Thank you so much for watching this video till the last. Give this video 50 likes and type the word necrosis is done in the comment so that I can know you have watched this video till the last.